we're doing
The Fidget
Spinner Challenge. Mine's kind of broken, but see,
Mine's
on
blue.
this part.
We
But
just got them today.
we just got them today. It's a Saturday. We just got them today, so we've always wanted these. So we're gonna do the Fidget Spinner Challenge. We're gonna do the Thumb Challenge. Thumbs up. So, got to spin them.
Coach, give us a thumbs up on this video if you like fidgets.
Because fidgets are so fun. Alright, we completed the Thumb Challenge.
Let's go
Now,
to the next
we're
challenge.
gonna do the next Now we're gonna do something really hard. The Finger Challenge.
I was not even able to do. Wait, should we do the 2 finger challenge?
Yeah, we're gonna do the 2 finger challenge.
Then the 1 finger.
Yeah, the 1 finger is like crazy, man.
Oh no, this is harder than it looks, guys.
If you have a fidget spinner, please give this video a thumbs up.
Or subscribe to our channel.
Because we'll make videos about fidget spinners or other things every day.
Oh no, now mine's not spinning anymore. Look, guys.
Let me try that.
It just needs a second to repair.
What happened to yours? That's weird. Well, I completed the 2 finger challenge.
I
Have
did it
you?
for a little bit.
Now, thanks for following along. Now we're gonna do the 1 finger challenge.
Ready?
Now we're doing the 1 finger challenge.
Yeah,
It's
dear.
really hard.
No, still not working, guys. Still not working.
I can't do it that well. This is coming out.
And then just gonna play for our little stick box guy we got yesterday.
You mean today?
Yeah, I know.
Today is a Monday, remember, you guys. So if you watch this on a Monday, maybe.
Wait, on the camera it looks like
Hey, I'm trying to do my 1 finger. So if you did this, you are really good at it. Oh, I did it. Okay, we completed this challenge.
What?
So we're
No,
going
we're
on to the nose challenge.
Yeah, I'm gonna see if mine works. Cause mine stopped working while you guys were away. Stop flashing. Whatever. That's so cool.
Did you guys see that? Well, I hope you did, because I couldn't see it that well because I was.
Guys, look. He's on the fidget spinner. He is a pro at this. Woo!
Everyone watch, this is how you do it. It's probably really easy, but.
I'm a dancer. I'm a dancer.
Now, that's the end of our video. Goodbye! And it's a Saturday, yay! Okay, it was actually a Saturday, so if I said Monday, it was actually Saturday, so bye guys!